Hey everyone, it is Julie here with TipRanks. Today we're taking a look at 3 stocks that analysts think are set to gain from the recent crypto boom. We're going to take a closer look at these 3 companies, what it is that they do, and how they're related to crypto. And don't forget, for today only, May the 4th, TipRanks is having a sale for premium members to upgrade their membership to Ultimate for 30% off. So make sure to head over to the TipRanks website or click on the link down below to take advantage of the offer today. Just before we get into these 3 crypto-related stocks, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoy today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Keep in mind that these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock and are just meant for information and entertainment purposes. Any investment decision needs to be made based on your own research and due diligence. Now, with that being said, let's get right into these. Starting off with Silvergate Capital. Trading under the ticker SI, they're currently trading just shy of the $100 price point at $99.40 per share. Silvergate Capital is in the finance world and is a commercial bank. They have served entrepreneurs in unique and niche industries for over 20 years. Recognizing digital currencies' potential during the sector's infancy, they built strong relationships with pioneers who were turned away by traditional banks. This solidified their position as industry-leading partners and innovators, which remains true today. They began their digital currency initiative back in 2013, and they have been profitable for over 20 years. The majority of their customers are institutional investors, including hedge funds, venture capital funds, and private equity funds, as well as digital currency exchanges. They also focus on other customers developing new protocols, platforms, and applications like mining operations and providers of other services. Their solutions include their stablecoin infrastructure, the Silvergate Exchange Network, collateralized lending, and digital asset custody. Their proprietary technology platform is that Silvergate Exchange Network, or SEN. It's a 24/7 real-time transfer of US dollar between exchanges and investors using their proprietary API. The value of the SEN to their customers increases with each incremental participant and broadens the opportunity for further adoption of Silvergate's services. In their recent financial release, Silvergate reported earnings per share of 55 cents, beating the industry estimates by 14%, and better yet, growing 139% year over year. Supporting the earnings growth, Silvergate recorded a 29% customer base growth year over year. They also saw their digital currency deposits end the first quarter at $6.8 billion. Covering the Silvergate Capital stock is 5-star analyst Joseph Vafi from Canaccord Genuity. And he is impressed by Silvergate's growth in digital currency banking, writing, "Silvergate delivered again in Q1, highlighted by another near 40% sequential increase in deposits on top of the over 130% quarter-over-quarter increase in Q4. This impressive deposit growth was driven by similarly strong growth in demand for the use of the SENS, or Silvergate Exchange Network, as institutional interest in Bitcoin continues to accelerate. Just as important are the implications of the 2 strategic deals with Fidelity and Coinbase inked in Q1. In our view, it is becoming clear that not only is it emerging as a key financial services cog across all of institutional cryptocurrency trading, but SI is now becoming the key partner for cryptocurrency custodians seeking to offer margin lending. Importantly, Silvergate has a core competitive cost advantage in crypto margin lending, giving it underlying bank charter which provides a very low cost of capital via raising zero-interest customer deposits. Silvergate Capital currently has 4 analyst ratings on its stock, and it does come in as a strong buy. The average price target of $163 would be a 64% growth potential over this next year. The highest price targets comes from Wedbush from a couple months ago at $175 for a 75% growth potential. Next on our list is probably a company that you are familiar with, and that is PayPal. Trading under the ticker PYPL, they're currently just shy of $250, trading at $248.70 per share. Now, PayPal is the market leader in online payment processing and has remained at the forefront of the digital payment revolution for more than 20 years. In their latest quarterly report with their Q4 2020 metrics, they had 377 million active accounts, 4.4 billion in payment transactions, and $277 billion in total payment volume. Their next earnings report is coming out tomorrow on May 5th. And of course, PayPal has seen strong growth this past year during the pandemic, during which e-commerce really boomed. Then, near the end of April, PayPal made a very exciting announcement. They announced that their mobile payment app Venmo would now offer crypto. With crypto on Venmo, customers can view cryptocurrency trends, buy or sell crypto, and access in-app guides and videos to help answer commonly asked questions and learn more about the world of crypto. Customers using crypto on Venmo can choose from 4 types of cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. According to the 2020 Venmo customer behavior study, more than 30% of Venmo customers have already started purchasing crypto or equities, 20% of which started during the pandemic. With the introduction of crypto on Venmo, the broader Venmo community will now have access to an easy-to-use and intuitive crypto platform to help them take part in the cryptocurrency market. Covering the PayPal stock is BTIG analyst Mark Palmer. And he points out a key factor in PayPal's new Venmo feature when he writes, "The move marked for the first time that consumers will be able to use crypto to make purchases at large array of merchants." The crypto option is now available in the US with more than half of PayPal's 29 million merchants, with the company stating that more could be added soon. Palmer believes that this move toward crypto will be a net positive for PayPal. And there are 25 analysts with current ratings on the PayPal stock. I'd assume we get a few more in tomorrow after their latest earnings report as well. But right now, it does come in as a strong buy with an average upside potential of over 25%. Some of the most recent in the last couple of weeks range between 24 to 40% upside potential. And third on our list today is clean energy and software company CleanSpark. Trading under the ticker CLSK, they're currently at $19 per share. The mission at CleanSpark is to solve modern energy challenges for forward-thinking groups who demand future value creation by providing the power of choice in the choice of power. Their software products are designed to control microgrid and distributed energy systems. These systems allow users to go off-grid, opting out of traditional power distribution to tap into greener, cleaner energy sources. The company's annual revenues have doubled for 3 consecutive years, and their revenue of $10 million for the fiscal year ended 2020 was an increase of 122% from the previous year. As of April 18th, they have a contracted backlog of $23.5 million, and the company personnel has grown from 20 to 74 in the past 12 months. CleanSpark focuses on 2 different business segments. As we just discussed, one is energy and the other is Bitcoin mining. CleanSpark says that Bitcoin mining is simply receiving compensation to process data supporting the blockchain. Digital currency miners require huge amounts of power. Difficulty rates are going to go up. Over time, it will take more power and cost more to mine. Long term, it will be all about production and cost, and it won't matter how many miners you have if you can't put them to use in a profitable manner. In the end, it's all about the access to power. Bitcoin mining rigs draw massive amounts of power and put out a lot of heat, and CleanSpark has invested heavily, not only in the computational mining rigs, which will slowly produce new Bitcoins, but in the clean energy infrastructure to make the company's Atlanta mining location 95% carbon-free. The company's latest investment in Bitcoin mining will start to take physical shape later this year. Currently, their total Bitcoins mined December 10th through April 18th were 205. CleanSpark intends to aggressively grow its Bitcoin mining business with a focus on access to cheap power backed by sustainable sources. The company will have 50 megawatts of total energy capacity at existing facilities and plans to add renewables to further increase capacity and sustainability. Covering the CleanSpark stock is 5-star analyst Amit Dayal from H.C. Wainwright. He writes that we believe CleanSpark's execution on the microgrid and Bitcoin mining fronts could position the company to exceed our expectations for the fiscal year of 2021, as our assumptions now appear relatively conservative. The stock has pulled back since its January 2021 highs, alongside some other Bitcoin mining comps and general weakness across small cap names. However, we believe with Bitcoin prices remaining well above our assumptions, no known changes to mining operations, and the company adding to its microgrid backlog, the operational side of the story appears to be intact. We believe CleanSpark's valuation remains compelling at current levels, with the company set for year-over-year revenue and earnings growth of more than 150% and more than 1,000% respectively in 2022. Now, Amit is just one of 2 analysts that currently have ratings on the CleanSpark stock, but both do come in with a buy rating and an average price target of $47.50, which would be a considerable 152% growth potential. Amit's is the highest rating with a $50 price target, which would be growth of 165% from current prices. So there we have 3 companies related to cryptocurrency and all with some great growth potential in their future. Obviously, cryptocurrency is a huge growing trend right now. It'll be really exciting to see what other companies start to get involved with it as well. Now, I always love hearing with you guys, so make sure to leave your thoughts in the comments down below on some of your favorite crypto-related companies and what you think of these 3 that we listed today. If you made it all the way to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow morning for my pre-market morning update, where we'll give you everything you need to know before the market opens. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you back here next time.